Hello, in this video, we will see that how the patient on remote medical care can book appointment with doctors. Once the patient is logged in with the credentials on remote medical care, he can see the options of book an appointment on the top. And also he can go to my doctors to book an appointment with one of his doctors. So both options serves the same purpose. You can either go from book an appointment from the top, or you can go from my doctor and select the doctor with which you want to book an appointment. Here you can see the doctor information and his availability. You can either click on book an appointment button here, or you can simply click on the time with on which you can, let's say 9 to 10. I can click on this. It will take me to the next page where I have to book whether if I have some symptoms that I can put in here, or I am coming for the simple checkup or the follow-up. So let's say I have some symptoms that I can write here. I have It will ask me some question whether I will simply answer them. So whatever your conditions are, it will ask a question based on that. So you can just answer these questions. This will help doctor to do a better diagnosis. Now it will take you to the booking screen from where you can select the exact time on which you want to book an appointment. For example, I want to book an appointment for 9 to 10 a.m. I can simply click here, and here it will ask me to book an appointment. The doctor is Dr. Khalid. The schedule is also shown here, and here is the patient information. I can simply click on confirm your appointment. And it will say, thank you for submitting your appointment request. Please wait for the doctor response. So currently, if I see on the dashboard now, my appointment is pending. If I go to the dashboard as well, it will show that this appointment is pending, and the doctor has to, once the doctor responds to this appointment, I will get the email notification. Once the doctor has accepted your appointment, its status will be changed to accepted, and you will be notified via email that your appointment has been booked. In the email, you can see the appointment date, the time, and the link to join the meeting for the online appointment. Thank you very much.